going on, guys? I got the Proboat Rockstar 48 out today on the pond. Just seeing how she does. Looks good, looks good. Looking good. We're not gonna go too wild with it because I do not want to go freaking swimming today, guys. All right. I think that looks pretty good. I don't want to go hard, man. I don't want to go swimming, that's for sure. Very nice. What do you think, Jan? Nice. Yeah, we on the water today, guys. I'm not even hitting it full throttle, guys. That's just quarter throttle right there. Nice. This thing is sick. That's full throttle right there. Full throttle, a little bit of full throttle. Yeah. Full throttle. Woo, she runs nice. Check it out. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little excited. It's been a while, and I've never ridden a two-stroke one. Actually, it's all been electric. Look at that. What do you think, bud? There you go, full throttle. Woo, she rolls. Yes, hold on. She rolls, guys. Full throttle. Nice. That's sick. But what I'm trying to see is, I don't see water coming out though. Yeah, that's sick, bro. All right, let me put the body on real quick, or the canopy. I'm sorry. Bring her in for a little look at her real quick. Give me the canopy, buddy. Thank you, sir. Be careful coming down here, okay? If you're gonna come down. Guys, this has been a success already. I'd say this is not too shabby. Wow. All right, put that there. Bring her in just a little. Okay. Proboat Rockstar 48. The business. The business. Very nice. About to give the control to my son and wish for the best. This is gonna be scary, but he wants to try it and we're gonna let him. Come on, get up, come here. Try to stay close to the bank, okay? Here, slowly, okay, buddy? And stay away from over there. Stay over here. Suave, suave. Turn, yeah. Start turning. Don't go too far in the middle. Stay around here so I don't have to go swimming too far if I have to. There you go. Got my boy on the... Slowly, Poppy, slowly, okay? It's not like the RC car. You have to do it slowly. Turn that way, yeah. Get away from there. I don't want you to come this way. Please. The thing is sick though, guys. The thing is super cool. Look at that. Woo! Hit gas and turn a little, okay? Yeah, there you go. Nice. Stay away from that pole, okay? My son riding his first two-stroke boat. He is loving it, I assure you that. Look at that. Woo! Woo! My boy getting good with the throttle. Look at this. Woo-hoo. That thing gets and goes, guys. Woo. All right, bring it on in, baby. Slowly, let me bring it in. I'm gonna bring it in. Call that a wrap, guys. Oh, she died out. She died out right there, guys. We're gonna have to have her float this way. Come on. That's lovely. She should flow this way though, because the water is flowing out that way. So we're just gonna let her cool for a little bit there, and she'll roll in, guys. Let's go get our fishing equipment and get set up for fishing now. All right, that was awesome. We'll be back with it. All right, guys. Looks like I'm gonna have to go into some water for a little, but at least she died here. I was playing it smart, kept her around the bank, and on my last try, she died right over there. And I said, that's great because the water's flowing this way, so she's gonna come right to me. No fishing or swimming today. Let's go. But man, this thing ran awesome. What an awesome boat, to say the least, for its age, you know. But wow, she runs awesome. Here we go. She's back in Daddy's hands. Let's go home. I'm just kidding. We're going fishing now for sure. See if we catch a couple bluegills or something. Just a little something. Nothing crazy. Yeah, you know what I forgot, buddy? Forgot the bread. Yeah. Sure. If you can. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff here. Anyway.